Today we're going to dive into affiliate marketing programs, and I'm super stoked to share my top pick with you. So if you're ready to skyrocket your affiliate earnings, let me introduce you to my #1 recommendation, Rankifier's SEO Affiliate Program. This program checks all the boxes for what makes an affiliate program awesome. You can check out their affiliate program at Rankifier.com or clicking the link in the description. First off, let's talk about those commissions. A generous 30% cut on each sale. And we're not talking pennies here. On average, you'll be pocketing around $110 per sale. But that's not all, because you can earn up to a whopping $550 for a single sale. Here's another reason why I can't stop raving about Rankifier's program. They offer a 60-day cookie tracking window. What does that mean? It means that even if a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link, doesn't buy something, but makes a purchase within the next 60 days, you still get credit for that sale. Let's chat about why the SEO and digital marketing niche is an absolute goldmine for affiliate marketers. Think about it. Every business, big or small, wants to rank higher on Google. That's where SEO and digital marketing come into play. It's a breeze to promote these services because there's a big demand for them and businesses really need them. And the best part, the commissions are so good. Now, why do businesses need SEO services so badly? Think about how you search for information online. You probably turn to Google, right? Nearly no one clicks past the first page of search results, so it's every business's goal to get on the first page of Google. When businesses appear on the first page of search results, they're more likely to get clicked on. This means more people come to their websites, which can lead to more customers and sales. Without SEO, even if a business offers amazing products or services, they might remain hidden. SEO helps businesses get in front of their target audience and ultimately grow. Rankifier is an SEO agency, and they offer a range of SEO packages tailored to various business needs. Like I said, there's a big demand for this kind of service, and you can convince businesses to buy their packages. So there you have it, my ultimate pick for the best affiliate program in the SEO and digital marketing niche, Rankifier's SEO Affiliate Program. With its generous commissions, the potential to earn big money, and that incredible 60-day cookie tracking duration, it's an awesome affiliate program. Head to Rankifier.com to sign up for their program. I'll have a link to the affiliate sign-up page in the description. Give that thumbs up button a little love and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos about affiliate marketing.